Welcome to Surfside Beach, where the vibe is relaxed, the welcome is warm, and the nickname says it all. Known as the family beach, Surfside has spent generations building a reputation for wide, sandy shores and a slower pace that makes you feel right at home. Family fun comes easy here, from sandcastle building and pier fishing to go-karts and mini golf. Since 2016, Surfside Beach has proudly been a certified autism-friendly destination through Champion Autism Network, one of the first in the country. Families of all abilities will find thoughtful touches throughout town that make every visit feel more comfortable and welcoming. At the heart of it all is the Surfside Fishing Pier, a newly rebuilt, all-concrete pier that stretches into the Atlantic with great fishing, unbeatable views, and room to roam. It anchors the Surfside Pier Village, a walkable hub of fun with a growing lineup of restaurants, bars, and shops that feel fresh but still familiar. Here, you can grab a margarita at Chimichanga Llama, try a slice at Pizza Hyena, or sample a taste of the South with barbecue and biscuits at Gracious Pig. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dance the night away with live music and karaoke at Neil and Pam's, then sleep in and grab a bite at Benjamin's Bakery the next morning. And when it's time to celebrate, Surfside shines, with events like the Surfside Barbecue Fest in the spring, Family Fest in the fall, and holiday happenings all year round. If you're looking for a vacation that's relaxed, real, and full of heart, Surfside Beach is ready when you are.